Hi, I am the founder of Cirque Cell Skincare. The company was founded 3 years ago with my partner Melanie Simon. Melanie Simon is a local esthetician who has contacts in the media and entertainment industry, and my background spans across consulting, operations, finance, and just enough experience with startups to think that I could probably do something like that again. So together, Melanie and I thought we had some shared competencies that would make us somewhat successful potentially in the skincare business. So we decided to start this company really as a side business and experiment a little bit. So we launched with one product and we were completely virtual. Headquarters was my laptop. We hired a formulator in California to formulate our first product. Just up the road from him was a contract manufacturer that manufactured our first run for us. Right next door to the manufacturer was a fulfillment facility that fulfills all of our orders for us, and we hired a publicist in New York City, and we worked Melanie's media contacts and got some free press and started driving sales through our website. So we were successful enough to think that, well, maybe we should consider continuing doing this and expanding a little bit. And what we realized was we really didn't want to be a direct-to-consumer company, and that it would really be hard to continue to operate as a virtual company if we wanted to grow. So we spent the second year of our company's life growing infrastructure. So we hired a CEO who's an industry guy. We now have an office in Dallas. We have 3 salespeople. We have some back office help. And we've expanded our product line from 1 product to 5 products, with 2 more products launching in the next 60 days. We've been successful in our plan to migrate from a direct-to-consumer company to a wholesale company. Our first year in business, 100% of our sales were direct-to-consumer through our website. Our second year in business, we're at 80-20. And we have some pretty strong presence in spas in New York, Texas, California, and Illinois. We've sold direct to just about every other state in the country. Can you guys hear me? Thank you so much.